So how it went, bro? Like, what was the question they asked you? How did you answer to those questions? Just give an insight on that. Brief insight.
Okay. So in first round, so they went with some basic questions. They
Right.
mainly focused on SQL and Power BI.
Okay. Okay.
So in SQL, they asked for some they focused on some window function kind of thing. They used to give us a sample data set
Mm.
and a problem statement. We need to write a query.
Okay.
So first, window function using some row number, rank,
Okay.
rank,
Okay.
uh, and some basic SQL questions only.
Okay.
Like using some group by aggregate
Okay.
functions and all
Mm.
joins, inner joins, different kinds of
Okay.
joins. We need to
Mm.
write the output set, what could be the output
Okay.
for some like if what is the output, like how many records will be fetched if we go for
Okay.
some inner join,
Mm.
other kind of left join, right join, full
Okay.
join. Okay. So once the SQL part is done, so they asked me close to 6 to 7 questions on SQL.
Okay.
So once SQL is done, they moved into Power BI.
Okay.
So they given me some scenarios to write some DAX queries.
Okay.
Okay, so DAX is like just like some in Excel you used to write formulas, right? Just like
Okay.
that. DAX is a logical part in Power BI where we can implement some
Mm.
logics
Okay.
based like in order to make some
Triggers are kind of tax in the sense.
logical
Trigger kind of thing. This
logical
must
part.
happen and it will be dependent on other tasks. Such kind of concept. Like
No. In Excel, we'll be writing some formulas, right?
okay.
For
Mm.
example, in order to make summation, we use
Mm.
sum of column name.
Mm.
Same thing,
Okay.
but here will be the many different functions like time intelligence functions,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
aggregate functions,
Mm.
uh, there
Understood.
filter function,
Understood.
different kinds of tags.
Okay.
So they mainly focus. So if you are a beginner, if you are starting your career having 1 2 years of experience,
Okay.
uh, they won't focus more on DAX. But
Okay.
if you are 3 and above, they will focus more on DAX
Tax.
queries,
Okay. Mm.
data modeling, like
Okay.
Power Query, data modeling,
Okay.
Power transformations using Power Query.
Okay.
So some basic Power BI questions, some direct questions, some
Okay.
scenario-based questions.
Mm.
Once it's done, I got a short like a call from HR, like, okay, you are done, clear with the first round. We'll move to the second round.
Okay.
They said like Techno Managerial, again same, but here the sequel, the complexity is little like complexity got increased. Like
Okay.
it's not basic. We can expect some
Advanced
like
level.
some intermediate kind
Yeah.
of intermediate
Yeah.
problems, some two intermediate SQL problems, and even in Power BI, there are some advanced questions
Okay.
like some complex scenarios
Okay. Mm.
and some logical based question, puzzle kind of thing, as I mentioned.
Do you remember those question, bro? If by any chance the advanced question which asked it,
Which one?
techno managerial questions. Do you remember?
Uh, okay, not not
Yeah.
exact problem statement,
Sample.
but
Yeah.
kind of,
Yeah.
yeah. Like uh, he asked me, "Where are you from?" Okay,
Okay.
I said, "I'm from Andhra, Hindupur." Okay,
Okay.
he told me like there is a bus travel agency.
Okay.
Okay, they're having buses. One bus from Bangalore to Hindupur
Okay.
at one time, and another bus from Hindupur to Bangalore another time,
Okay.
and there is one more bus from Bangalore to Mysore and one more bus from Bangalore to Hyderabad.
Okay. Mm.
Okay, so here I need the output should be like if A, B, and if destination and arrival,
Okay.
departure and arrival and departure,
Okay.
uh, sorry, what do you say?
Starting
Destination.
point and ending point. You can mention like that. Ah.
Okay. Starting and ending point. Okay. Uh, if the places name were same. For
Mm.
example, Bangalore to Hindupur and Hindupur to Bangalore.
Ah.
The places were same.
Then
Only the points were different. Starting and
destination.
ending
Ah.
points were different.
Yeah.
In that case, I need to have only one entry.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, and so, for example, if we consider Bangalore to Hindupur and Hindupur to Bangalore should not be in the output set,
Okay. Mm-hmm. Only the just.
and rest two like one record I need to have
Okay.
with the
Mm.
same A and B names. Okay,
Okay.
and Bangalore to Mysore and Bangalore to Hyderabad should be sure. So only three records should be in my results.
Output.
So
Okay.
something kind of
Ah,
this is the problem statement I have given. So
okay.
using some window function, so we can
Okay.
easily
Mhm.
solve it.
Okay. So this was basically they were trying to check your SQL query knowledge by asking this kind of
Yeah,
scenario.
yeah,
Okay, so main focus was given on your SQL plus the Power BI tech stack.
yeah,
All right. So first, the technical round was a moderate level of question, and the techno managerial was like kind of advanced level queries.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so apart from this, nothing they asked. Only on this tech stack they asked.
Uh, so in SQL, again some
Mhm.
window functions only.
Okay.
He asked two questions on window function, and in Power BI he given me some scenarios like, no, first thing he asked like, what is the challenge you faced in your previous organization while working in Power BI? So I
Okay.
explained one situation where I got stuck and team took more time to get the solution.
Okay.
So it for a few minutes it went like a discussion
Okay.
rather than an interview. So I
Mhm.
used to tell him a solution. So he used to come up with a question, just like a client.
Mhm.
Client, okay, Ganesh, if this is the thing, right? So why this is not implemented before?
Okay. Mhm.
So if we implement this, right, what could be the like uh, positives and negatives?
Okay.
Okay.
Mhm. Kind of a same
So
thing,
the
scenario based question.
discussion,
Uh,
yes, yeah,
so they will be
discussion
asking a
happened.
scenario. Yeah. So like what
Yeah,
I was saying is like they'll be mentioning the scenario and they will be checking how you're gonna react to that specific
yeah.
scenario. Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Like he checked what kind of involvement I have, like how much I involved to get how
Mhm.
much I involved in that particular
Okay.
situation, what were my inputs, uh what could be the backup plan if something goes wrong,
Okay. Mhm.
uh kind of things he mainly focused.
Okay. So it was in the techno managerial round, correct?
Yeah, yeah, techno manager.
Okay. So how long it went? Technical plus techno manager.
Yeah. Both technical and techno manager both went for around 45 to 50 minutes.
Okay. Approx 1 hour.
Yeah,
So
approximately.
these were online on itself, not like not going to the off. I mean,
No,
company.
no, online, online,
Online. So
online.
each round is a knockout round, elimination round.
Yeah, yeah,
All right. Super.
yeah.
So after
No
completion
second
of
chance.